I went and picked up the Too Faced Clover palette, brand new to their line of eyeshadow palette. So let's take a look at what's going on inside of here. This palette is super adorable and is nice and heavy. It has a metal case. I'm so excited. This is my first high-end palette and I chose Too Faced. Yes, break that rigidity. I haven't even looked at it. Okay, here we go. We're going to look at it together, guys. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I love it. That yellow, that teal in the corner. I love me a little teal, honey. Valentine purple, pinks and berries. I'm so glad I waited to get this palette because it has definitely more of a rainbow in it, but yet it still has those everyday regular neutrals that every girl needs, and it's perfect travel size. And I feel like this metal case is going to keep it nice and safe when I travel. Let me swatch these colors and let you guys see what they are up close. I'm going to start with the color Puppy Eyes. I Rough You. Cuteness overload now. Oh, the pigment! Lucky Clover. This color is Paw Print. Best Friends. Chihuahua. Rough. Cuddle Boy. Fur Baby. Love is Love. Daddy Loves Me. You know you guys about to see a lot of this palette. You already know. Save Them All. Wet Kisses. Too Faced Mascot. Spoiled. Woof. Good Boy. I'm excited to use that yellow in the crease. I mean, I am not the best swatcher. I'm not a professional swatcher. That pigment, though. Bam! Yes! Clover palette. Too Faced up in the house. Really wanna use the yellow. So I'm going to go in with Good Boy. I'm going to put that in the crease. Just building it up. Ooh, come through, yellow. Now I'm going to go with my Sigma E40. I'm going to go in with the color Color Buddy, which is a nice like fudgy chocolate. And just bring that a little lower than the yellow. Just building up the corners. Then just bring it in. Making sure I don't cover up that freaking yellow. I love it so much. So I'm going to take the color Ruru or Roro. It's R-U-H, R-U-H. Rough. I think it's rough. I don't know. On a large shader brush. And just put that over the lid. I feel like the purple tone to it goes well with the chocolate brown that we put in the crease there. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner and draw a little eyeliner. Take a little bit more of my Vintage by Jessica Liebskine highlight. And just redo that brow bone, honey. Now to finish it on the eyes for daytime, we're going to keep it nice and simple. Girls, I'm here for you for the simple 1, 2, 3 looks. That's what I do. A little bit of Cuddle Buddy. Smudge it right here on the outer corners. All the way in. I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. If you need to blend your lashes, I just kind of give them a touch at the base. Nothing too crazy, because chances are my lashes are on their way falling off anyway. We're going to take our ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip. This is in the color Echo Park. I'm going to line my lip. ColourPop Lip Liner, and this is in the color Beeper. There we go. And this is your look for the day. Alright guys, so we are going to go back to the eyes to get ready for our nighttime. I'm ready to go for my lip. We are ready to go. So your friends call you up like, hey girl, we going happy hour or whatever. Yes, I'm down. Make sure you pack a couple of things in your bag if you want to change your look from day to day. If you want to be extra, you bring your eyeliner and bring your lash glue, girl. See if your lashes might not be on by the end of the day. I just drew a little bit of an extra wing there. So after you re-glue down your lashes, because that's what I just had to do. I had to put a little glue in the corner right here, you know. So I'm going to go back into the Clover palette. So we got to make this look a little bit darker. Sigma E25, and I'm going to take the color Woof, which is the darkest color in the palette. Dab it right here in the corner. Now I'm bringing it in about a third way in. Make sure you pack your blending brush, your eyeshadow packing brush, and something to smudge your under eye. I'm going to add a color over the lid in the middle, and we're going to go in with the color Save Them All, honey. Yes, we're going to put this color right here. We're going to take that from the middle over and make sure they are married here. Having children and grandchildren married. Over. Now I'm going to take a little pencil brush, and I'm actually going to go in with the color Cuteness Overload. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to pop that right here and work it up into my situation. I'm going to bring it onto the lid a little, right there in the corners. Oh, just a little pop, little pep. Don't forget to pack your palette, girl. You're going to have to go back in here. Now we're going to go back in with that color. There's a little bit of kick up, but I'm not mad at it. I just feel like I might be losing shadow. Like it ain't going to last me as long because I'm like blowing a lot of it away. If you want to bring your mascara and touch up your lashes, you can do that too. With my Perversion eyeliner from Urban Decay. And now I'm going to darken this waterline. Bring your highlighter if you want to touch up your glow too. You know, do you, boo, do you. So now I'm going to go in with the Ultra Matte from ColourPop because, you know, I might be drinking, I might be sweating from dancing. So I'm going with a little bit of a stronger formula that is just going to sit nicely on the lips for the night, girl. A nice dark color. Darker color. Doesn't have to be dark, but darker than your daytime lip. Okay? Be careful and line it myself. Wow, that dried down in like 5 seconds. So work fast, okay? Because you was ready, girl. You was ready. But I like to sparkle under the lights of the club. Nah, I don't go to the club. I'm lying. I'm dead lying. I don't be going nowhere. I ain't got no light. So I'm gonna add a little gloss, okay? ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. This is in the color Tight Fit. We's ready to party. Ready to party. Thank you for watching me unbox my new eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. I am obsessed with this palette. I really love it. It's my first high-end eyeshadow palette, and I'm glad I chose this one. It's going to work out so good for me. It's going to be great for traveling. I love all the colors. They're all useful to me, and I can't wait to get more looks out of it. So if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. I would super appreciate it. It helps my channel. And of course, if you're new, hit the red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you are notified of every KimmyBoutiki upload. Be part of that gang, honey. Yes, I love you guys. Hope you're feeling amazing wherever you are, in good health and good wealth and happiness to all, aka Boutiki. And I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. I don't even know what I want to do next. Oh, I just dug my finger in there. I'm so mad. Ooh. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. And if you're still here, why don't you leave me a sun emoji at the bottom in the comment section below. Let me know that you made it to the end. Let me know you're that MVP, part of that gang. Yes. So go ahead and watch another one. Why not? Like, we've been chilling, we be hanging, we be peoples right now. So go ahead and watch another video. Super appreciate it. I love you.